Babe, this food is expensive.
It's not so expensive, Joe.
I can't pay for it.
Did you have what?
Are you serious? It's not so expensive now.
Why didn't you tell me now?
It's okay. I'll take care of it.
Take care of the bill.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Would you mind joining me here?
Sure.
You didn't want.
He shot you.
I'll never be broke in my life.
Baba, now this man calling my girlfriend.
Ebelebo to Panchaye. The child that said that the mother will not sleep. That child too no go sleep. Young man, how dare you challenge my client? In the laugh. By the time I finish with you, you know why they call me the great Otu Panchaye.
You never see anything.
What happened?
My son, who be that?
Oh, that's my father.
Your papa?
Papa.
Blood of Jesus. I thought I said your face look familiar.
What happened?
Now him papa now he teach me work now. And I never let finish. I dey do this nonsense. So I dey do it.
You return.
You won't come fire.
If I know say now you want go come, I dey grace. My son, move dey go.
The mother can't say many here.
Go. I don't pay for this work now. What me do with
How
them?
much you pay me one call here come down? As far as I say this way see here now, say dey there. Nothing what I go do here we go work. That ain't the original. Move dey go abeg.
Hey! I need $10,000 for disturbing my peace.
I know they work for bank. We are one see am.
Fine am.
Are you mad?
No, bring her.
Father like son.
You like the place? Yes, sir. Yes, I do. Nice. So how much for a night?
Yeah, 20K.
20K?
Yes.
Can I pay now?
No, you have to pay caution fee.
Okay. How much is the caution fee?
100,000, yes.
100,000.
Yes.
To stay a night, 20K. Caution fee, 100,000.
Yes, I will give you back.
No, I'm not saying you not give me back. Oh, why are you rushing? You are faster than your shadow. The hair on your chest. No, you be thief. 100,000 caution fee. Thief. Rushing your chest.
Why do you insist on marrying this girl? What do you see in her?
Nyash. I see Nyash.
Is she a graduate?
No. Why?
You want me to leave this mammoth of a Nyash because of a degree?
Why can't you marry Margaret's daughter and she has a degree in law?
Papa wants a low degree. Everybody wants Nyash. Even lawyers want Nyash.
Do you think she can make a good wife material with that kind of dress code?
Papa, soft Nyash, soft life.
How will you even take her to the village?
Omera, the villagers will marvel at this humongous Nyash. You just don't know. You don't know. Me, I know the villagers.
During our times, we used to look for good behavior,
Nowadays it's Nyash.
self-control,
Nowadays it's Nyash.
and decency.
Nowadays it's Nyash.
What is it that you are seeing?
Nyash.
Don't rush to settle.
No rush, no Nyash.
You know the reason I chose your mother? Because of Papa. Because, you know, life.
Waiter, please come. Please, how much is the bottle water?
Hot water?
Yes.
Just 60,000.
Jesus.
Oh, okay.
If ordinary bottled water is 60,000, then
You joking?
Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
gaga to one gaga.
It's a pity for you.
This long distance relationships.
Can I have an idea? She sent me a picture of your...
Are you sure?
Yes, I want to see if I can handle.
Give me a minute.
Dikon, Kena! Dikon! Ay, rabashante bakarata. Dikon, your phone. My phone, Dikon, my phone. Ay.
Hello, excuse me.
Me?
Please come.
Good afternoon, sir. Please, I'm in the 8th. I need to deliver this to my clients.
Where you cook?
Yes, I cook, sir.
Why not cook for me? I live in this estate here. I want you to cook for me.
So are you serious?
What's your account number?
0076365738.
I just sent you 600,000. Cook for me.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
What would you like to eat?
No, just cook anything and bring.
Sir, don't worry. I'll do you well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Sir, hope you're enjoying the meal.
Very delicious.
Are you playing?
And what is this guy doing here?
Oh, this is my fiancé. We're getting married soon.
You can wish.
Asa, for the records, I was the one that prepared this food you are eating.
Yes.
Jesus! Jesus!
God, we banish you.
You will die.
This man cannot do anything without finishing his incantation. So before he finished the incantation, you light his neck. There's nothing to be. You get what I'm saying? It is as simple as that. He cannot do anything. He has to finish a particular incantation, madam. Look at he has to finish the incantation. He's harmless. Trust me. 12 to 3, you have closed. Oh my God.
What thing be this?
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
What is a beautiful dancer like you doing in this lonely vicinity?
Actually, I'm waiting for someone.
You don't have to wait for anybody here. Come on, hop in.
No, that's fine.
Come on, hop in. Let me spoil you.
That's actually fine.
No, come, let's go. Oh my God. Oh, babe, I'm so sorry. I was looking for a bike. We can now go. Hey. Who is this broke thing?
Jesus! Excuse me, that's my boyfriend you're talking to.
This broke thing. Hey!
Do you think I'm one of those girls you men flaunt money to? What is the assurance that if I leave him for you, I wouldn't leave you for someone richer? You men try to use money to win women over and then go behind us and call us gold diggers.
Really, nigga?
You talk about bros before hoes and brotherhood, and look at you trying to take his girlfriend away from him.
If you don't make am, no evidence say you try your best.
Men, all you all can offer is money, yet no brain. What will stop you from teaching him the way? Helping him to make money so that I can take care of me instead of taking me away from him. If you're a good person. Men are really the problem of this world. Let's go.
Am I doing too much?